Hello and grüezi! It is the 5th of November 2023 and I'm at Linthal railway station in central Switzerland. And I just arrived here on a rail replacement bus. Rail replacement bus. 3 words that can strike fear and dread into the hearts of travellers everywhere. Except in German-speaking places, where of course it's only 1 word. But since railways will always need engineering work, and engineering work will always require temporary railway closures, the humble rail replacement bus is the best solution we've got. Or is it? This is Braunwald, a small mountain resort about 600 metres above Linthal, nestled halfway up the side of an Alp. Braunwald is officially a car-free zone, which means no one here owns a private car, and the only vehicles on the roads are tractors and vans run by local businesses, and these little taxis that ferry passengers around the village itself. If you want to know more about how it works, Tom Scott has a great video about a similar system in southern Switzerland. But for this video, all you really need to know is that no road traffic can get in from the outside world at all. Which is about to become quite a crucial detail. Because if you're down in Linthal and you need to get to Braunwald, and you don't want to hike halfway up an Alp, your only real option is to hop on the Braunwald Bahn, a mountain climbing funicular railway that connects Braunwald with the mainline trains down in Linthal. Or at least it would do if they were running at the moment. But the question is, what happens if the Braunwald Bahn itself needs to go down for repairs? Well, apparently, that is exactly what's happening at midnight on the 5th of November, which is tonight. Which means if we come back here tomorrow morning, the entire line is down for engineering work. And that is a problem, because with no road connection between Braunwald and the outside world, this is one railway you cannot replace with a rail replacement bus. So instead, they've got a rail replacement helicopter. This is obviously brilliant. But it's not just a fun upgrade on a rail replacement bus. For the next 2 weeks, the rail replacement helicopter is the only transport in and out of the village. As a result, they have a strict passenger policy, prioritising the people who actually need to use the service, like school children and commuters and people who live in Braunwald. So if you're just a tourist, or even worse, a YouTuber, you have to accept that you are low priority. You can't just rock up in the morning rush hour and expect to be allowed on. But if you come here in, say, the late morning, when the kids have already gone to school and the workers have already gone to work, they might just let you squeeze in. The journey up to Braunwald only takes about 90 seconds, which is a shame because the views are absolutely stunning. This is the first time I've ever flown in a helicopter, and I really wish I had more time to enjoy it. But then, to be fair, it only cost me $7.20, and Swiss francs are nearly the same as euros. For a helicopter flight, that feels like a bit of a bargain. So I definitely recommend doing this if you ever get the chance, because if nothing else, it is one of the most memorable train journeys I've ever had. And that is a rail replacement helicopter. If you'd like to ride on a Bahnersatz-Helikopter, first you'll need to get to Linthal, which is an hour and 45 minutes from Zurich on a combination of train and rail replacement bus, and the flights are operating until the 17th of November. Incidentally, I only found out about this thanks to a message from a viewer called Tom. You may know him, he has a YouTube channel, and he's slightly annoyed he couldn't make it here himself. So a big thank you to Tom for passing the message on, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.